get set, go!
We have the Healthy Strides race. We're with the Fairfax County Park Authority. It is a signature event of the Healthy Strides program that is actually a wellness program that reaches out to the community. Today we have the Healthy Strides 5K, 10K run at Burke Lake Park. Today the theme is Star Wars because it's May the 4th, like May the 4th be with you. The 5K is stroller friendly, wheelchair friendly, and dog friendly. And the 10K is more geared towards the elite athletes. It goes around Burke Lake, so it's a beautiful trail course. This is the first year we have our Little Striders Tot Dash. What our mission is to get people out and get it active. The race is definitely geared to be for beginners towards advanced. I think today the reaction has been very positive. People seem to be having a lot of fun. We have a lot of people that came in costume, so it's been a really great day. And actually we're raising money to send underprivileged children to summer camp. So we are getting donations for that as well.